Children, take out your textbook, page number 103. Read these sentences. Number 1. The boy ate sweets all the time. Second one. Gandhi was the boy's idol. Number 3. Please come back after 2 weeks. 4. Boy, you should stop eating sweets. Once again, read it. The boy ate sweets all the time. Gandhi was the boy's idol. Please come back after 2 weeks. Boy, you should stop eating sweets. Sentences 1 and 2 are statements. The boy ate sweets all the time. Gandhi was the boy's idol are statements. Okay, a statement. What is a statement? A statement tells us something. It gives us information about something. A statement means what? A statement tells us something. It gives us information about something. For example, this one. The boy ate sweets all the time. How is the boy? That information we got from this statement. The boy ate sweets all the time. And in the second sentence, we got the information about the boy. Okay? What? Gandhi was the boy's idol. And now listen this. Sheetal is a dancer. She lives in Kolkata. Sheetal is a dancer. She lives in Kolkata. Many information we got from these statements. Sheetal. How is Sheetal? Who is Sheetal? Sheetal is a dancer. And where does she live? She lives in Kolkata. New Delhi is the capital city of India. We got information about India and what New Delhi is the capital city of India. Sentences 3 and 4 are instructions. Now listen the sentences 3 and 4. What it is? Please come back after 2 weeks. It's an instruction. Boy, you should stop eating sweets. It's an order or instructions. Okay? Now, these sentences are instructions. We use instructions to tell someone to do something. When do we use these sentences? We use instructions to tell someone to do something. Go back to your classroom. It's an order, an instruction. Please share the toy. Enjoy yourself at the beach. These all sentences are instructions. Okay. Now here is one work. What it is? Read these sentences and say if they are statements. Yes. If they are statements, we can write over here what? S or instructions. If it is instructions, we can write here I. Make your own example for each type. Make your own example. So, I won't do this one. You do yourself. Okay. One has been done for you. What is it? Boil and peel the potatoes. Boil and peel the potatoes. It's not a statement. It's an order or instruction. So, I. Then, another one is turn the light off. Turn the light off. That also one instruction. Second one, the rose is red and the grass is green. It's I or a statement or instruction. Of course, it is statement. Now, you can write another sentence here. For example, we can write cat likes milk. Anything you can write. Okay? Or the birds are flying in the sky. Okay? Or any other. The baby sleeps on the bed. These all are statements. Now third one, you must be more careful. What it is? I or S. Write your name on the blackboard. I can play the flute. Right? I or S and write the examples also. You must be more careful means it is instruction. Then we can write another instruction word. You should obey your parents. Okay, like that. Now next work is vocabulary. Read these sentences. It was a hot day. It was a cold day. What is the difference? Hot, cold. These words are opposite. These meanings, the words hot and cold are opposite in meaning. They are called opposites. Very simple. Okay. Now take one color pencil and color the opposites in each set. Opposites meaning. Okay. For example, kind. What is the kind? Opposite meaning? Mean. Another one is cruel. Okay. Now second one, loud. Loud means is noisy is opposite meaning? No. Synonym, same meaning. So don't color this one. Loud. What is the opposite? Quiet or soft. Both you have to color with one color pencil. Okay. Like this. Okay. Not with pencil. I don't have any color pencil. Okay. Now third one, clean. What is the opposite of clean? Dirty. Color like this. Tidy. Tidy is opposite meaning? No. It's same meaning. So leave it. Now next one is muddy. Color it. Next one, brave. What is the opposite meaning? Brave, scared. This one color. Then cowardly. This one also color. Now last one, easy. What is the opposite of easy? Simple? No, same meaning. Difficult, hard. Okay, color it nicely. Now next page, writing. Look at these pictures and complete the story using the words from the box for help. Look at this story. 5 pictures are here. See? Now let's complete the story. Words are here. Very sad, got caught, jumped into, that she was tiny, got an idea, threw a net, came out. Molly fish. This is Molly fish. Molly fish was always very sad. She was very tiny. Tiny meaning small. She wanted to be big like the other fish. What she want? She wanted to be big like the other fish. One day, a fisher threw a net. See here, threw a net into the sea to catch fish. Molly and many other fishes got caught. in the net. Molly was scared. She then dash got an idea. Got an idea. The net had holes in it. Molly jumped into. No, Molly came out. Molly came out through one of these holes. She quickly jumped into the water. Jumped into the water. Molly was happy. After that day, Molly was never sad that she was tiny. That she was tiny. Okay? Now listen, pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Sip, zip, seal, zeal, hiss, hiss, buzz, buzz. Once again, sip, S. We are stressing S. Sip. Here, zip, seal, zeal, hiss, S. Hiss, buzz, buzz. Okay. Now the last one, speaking. Read this sentence. I like sweets. I eat them all the time. Like. We use the words like, love, favorite and enjoy to talk about the things or people that we like. We use words like don't like and dislike for things that we don't like. Work in pairs. Tick the things that you think your friend likes. Cross out the things that you think your friend does not like. Now you can cut this friend. Your friend likes. You like. Words in tick the things that you think you like. Cross out the things that you think your does not like. TV programs. What you like? If you like cartoons, you can put one tick mark. If you does not like films, you can cross it. If you does not like serials, you can cross. Sports, if you like, put tick mark. Like that, complete all this one. Okay, children. Now, this one and next page, we are skipping. We don't want to do this page. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you so much.